Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Emilia Bertolo and I'm a principal lecturer in chemistry at Canterbury Christ Church University in the section of Natural and Applied Sciences. I'm also STEM ambassador in the Southeast. I've got a young scientist helping me today. His name is Daniel.
Hello there.
What are we doing today, Daniel?
Today we're going to turn this into ice cream using only salt, ice and thermodynamics.
Do you know what thermodynamics is?
No.
Thermodynamics is a branch of chemistry that deals with energy of reaction. And today we're going to be using thermodynamics to turn our ice cream mixture into ice cream. But first, some health and safety. Daniel will be wearing his safety glasses. And do you have any message for children watching this video?
Only do this experiment in the company of an adult.
Okay, let's make a start. Daniel, can you tell us how we made the ice cream mixture?
Of course. First, we mixed 120 milliliters of double cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we mixed it well in a blender for 1 minute and poured the mixture inside of a container that we can seal.
Now it's time to cool our ice cream mixture to make ice cream. So we've put our sealed container inside a larger box. And Daniel, you're going to pour this size around the box. It's around 600 grams of ice. You might need more. So pour it in. So just dump it all in. Yes. Excellent. Yes.
And I guess it should be...
Oh, that's good. And now we are going to add salt. This is around 9 tablespoons of salt. We're using fine salt. If you have larger salt crystals like rock salt, you probably need less, around 6 or 7 tablespoons. And once we've poured once you've poured the salt in the container, we're going to close it. And we're going to shake it for around 10-15 minutes and see if we can make our ice cream. So, pour the salt around the... It's okay, you can just put it around, yeah? Good. Yes. Excellent. Yeah. Very good. Yep. And now we're going to close it. And you're going to start shaking it for around 10-15 minutes.
This is what the ice cream looks like after 15 minutes of shaking, and this is what the ice looks like after 15 minutes of shaking.
The melting of the ice is an endothermic process. That means it needs energy for the ice to melt. And the energy, the heat needed to melt the ice, comes from the surroundings, and that includes our ice cream mixture.
But I don't understand. Why did we need the salt?
That's a good question. When you add salt to the ice, that lowers the melting point of the ice. It means that it starts melting at a lower temperature, below 0 degrees. And that means it starts melting faster and it takes more energy, and our ice cream mixture is made sooner, after around 10-15 minutes. A couple of things that we need to say. One, we use sealable boxes, but you might want to use bags. And second, it does get quite cold, so you might want to wrap the box in a towel or use gloves. And finally, should we try our ice cream?
Yes.
Is it nice? Worth 15 minutes of shaking?
Yes. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope you'll have fun doing chemistry experiments with things you can find in your kitchen.
This is all from us. Thank you very much to Daniel for his help. And thank you very much to you for watching. Bye!